So here we are in the chic premium style studio apartments with BCA Furnished Apartments. This is a fully renovated apartment. Beautiful granite countertops, I'm in love with them. You have your sleek new appliances, really great style. It's really nice and modern. You have an amazing new TV. It just feels like a little bit more of an upscale experience. But my favorite part, check out the bathroom. So check this out. This is the fully renovated, beautiful bathroom. And I don't know about your shower back home, but my shower is not nearly as nice as this beautiful walk-in shower. So I'm living my best life here right now and really enjoying it. This is my perfect place to call home right now.